Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make these little egg bites that are perfect for those busy on-the-go mornings, especially now that school is starting back up. If you're interested in seeing how I do this, keep watching. So first things first is I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. The ingredients needed for this recipe call for eggs, sausage, cooking spray, shredded cheese, which is not shown, and then this seasoning, which is called everything but the bagel. So the first thing I'm doing is just spraying all the liners. Once those are all sprayed, then I just take an egg and put it in each liner. Now the directions don't say to scramble the eggs, but after tasting these, that's one thing I would do differently, is I would scramble them up just so that the yolk is not in the center. And the sausage that I'm using is a turkey sausage, just so it's lower in calories. You can put whatever kind of meat in here that you like, whether it's sausage, bacon, or even diced up ham. I left a few of these without the meat just for my little one. And next I'm just adding in the cheese. This is such an easy and quick way to meal prep ahead of time. Like on a Sunday evening before the school week starts, go ahead and make these, and then for the week your breakfast is already done. You just pop these in the microwave for 30 seconds or so and breakfast is done for you and the kids. So the last thing I am adding is the seasoning everything but the bagel, and in my opinion this made these little egg muffins. They were really good. My kids were kind of hesitant to try it, so when I make these again, I'm going to go ahead and leave this out on theirs. But for Jason and I, we really liked these. And in case you're wondering, this seasoning can be found at Trader Joe's. Then you are just going to pop these in the oven, set your timer for 17 minutes, and then they are all done. And once they're all done, I immediately took them out and put them in the container just so they wouldn't keep cooking in the pan. And because I used the little silicone liners, they slid right out with no problem. And that is it, guys. You just store those in the fridge and eat them throughout the week. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.